Hi, I'm the creator of Dazzle You. Before I tell you 10 things about me, I'm going to do this little do-it-yourself project at home. And this one goes with the little finishing touches around the bathroom. If you heard the do-it-your bathroom for under $1,000 and all the other stuff, all you need is a mirror, a little bit of paint and whatnot. But this is pretty much what I'm left with is just whole mess that's all cleaned up. And what we're going to be doing is getting all this done. So what they want to see is action, right? So here it is, action again. They want action, Jackson. So here it is. There it is. The action, right? Last thing you want is this stuff on the top, on the side, and all over the place. You just bring it all the way up. It's pretty simple. And usually what you do is you just take a white t-shirt and then you just take a little bead and then seal it off. And this one tube should last the entire bathroom all around. We'll see. And I'm just gonna go ahead and some of this stuff is a little bit different today, but that's fine. This is what they left me with, so this is one of those things where, I fix it all up, get it all nice. And next thing you know, it's ruined, smashed, sabotage. That's alright. And this is probably one of those little kid things. Somebody will say, "Oh, funny. What a joke." And they do this stuff in hotels all around. I think there's even a checklist that they sold as a actual job for like vets to get a contract in a hotel or something. Make sure to get a lot of it. Alright. This one here is that's why the white tea works pretty good. Alright, this is for looks. That's the part, you do that part for looks. Because like this side one I did for looks. So we're gonna go ahead and do this one for looks too. And how, why, or what you need, or get supplies or anything else. This works better. Okay. But there's some truth about getting a white t-shirt. Let's try to get a pair of black pants. They told me to go to 50 different stores. Alright. This one right here, it's just a little bit longer. Alright. Hey, this is Dazzle you. Today I'm going to show you light bulbs. Light bulbs and CFLs that are going on everywhere. GE, Home Depot, they all went with these yellow CFL or these yellow LEDs. Yellow. LEDs yellowy up here, over there. Well, the thing is, all you really need is a light bulb. CFL, these things are white. If I had to take one of those, put it in here, it'll be yellow. And it's like this whole thing, it's just you got these yellow walls, these yellow closets, these yellow lights, and then you get this. These things, I don't sell them personally, but like when I did go as a customer, try to find them, there was one box. There was like 5 rows of lights. All the stores, the major, the Lowe's, the Home Depots, the Walmarts, all them big stores that they have everywhere. Well, anyway, these are blue. There's only one box you can get of them, and they do make a huge difference. And they're not yellow, they're not super bright white. So when I do the lights, you also got to include recessed lighting. Fan LEDs, these are also nice for outdoors. They picked a nice little ambery yellow. You got to remove the popcorn ceiling. These people that spray the popcorn ceiling up here, and then they install these terrible closets, and then they forget to do the trim. That's just a lot of cuts. Well, one of my main complaints in the new home designs, anyway, is that a lot of them they seem to be modeled in a certain way where you can't ever get 2 big rooms. It's like the living room is the bedroom, and the bedroom is the spare room, and the spare room is the closet, and the closet is the other room. Almost as if there are suites in a lot of these. Almost like they're just left for remodeling or selling, like almost studios in a way. For like 200 or 150 or whatever. But anyway, in the designs, everything that goes in the houses, these people out here saying that they're all the LEDs. They went with LEDs, and all of a sudden everybody went with LEDs. 5, 6 store shelves. Well, I think somebody went fishing. They stuffed the store with 8 rows of fishing. We went to hair. They stuffed the store with 4 rows of hair products. When we went in there and looked for brand names, you can't find the ranches and all that. Don't get in there. I'm staying away from all this food, this shopping, retail, all this other garbage. I'm just doing a project. So what you do is you turn them off. Okay, and then whoosh, nice and bright. So that's my project. I hope you all like the brightness. It's a good project. Really makes a difference. Thank you.